I'm still busy with the painting for my friend. Actually, I'm almost done. Only this little part here. It's my first painting that I do. Is a 30 by 40 centimeters. Sorry. And actually, I think it went pretty well. Colors are like they should be on the picture, but the first time that I saw it I thought, yeah, it's a little bit pink, but actually it's very nice. The strange part is a little bit here, the white. It doesn't fit in the rest of the picture, but it's not bothering me or something. So yeah, now we are going to do this last part, and I hope my friend will like it. As I told you in the previous videos about this, why I choose this picture, he is a fan of Star Wars. He has tattoos of Star Wars things on his body. His cat is Vader, Dark Vader. So yeah, that's why. So let us continue this last part, and when this is done, I am showing how it will be, the end results. We are going to frame this one, and actually I'm going to frame this in a 40 by 50 centimeters frame. So yeah, it's going to be in a 40 by 50 centimeter frame. So we will have a border around it. And I was thinking, should I do a black border or a white one? And someone told me actually try to put it in a white one, because the picture is very dark, you will see it better. And okay, I believe this person, so it will be a white border around it. And I think I should glue this canvas on the back border of the frame. I'm not sure if it should, but I think it will not move anymore when I glue it on the back side of the frame. I don't know if it will move when I'm not gluing it, but because it's not fixed in the whole frame, because it's actually smaller than the frame himself, I think it's better to glue it. But we will see it sorry, we will see it after that I'm done with the painting. So we're done with the painting. It's completely filled with diamonds. It's like this now, and as you can see, it's the part white here and there also. So it's very nice. I already cut the borders, and now I have to put it on this back wall of my photo frame. And this is the border that comes with it. It's 5 centimeters here, 5 there, 5 on top, and 5 off the bottom. On the bottom, sorry. And what I'm going to try, I already put some lines here, here, and on the bottom, there, and there. And that's actually the size of the frame. And I'm going to spray it with some spray glue. It's my first time I'm going to use it, so wish me good luck. No more tea. And then I'm going to stick the canvas on top of it. Actually, the painting is a little bit bigger than the frame is, so it should be perfectly all covered with the frame. Let me try it for a moment. So here, I did not glue it for the moment, but as you can see, it's still here until there, and the painting is a little bit bigger. So let me put it like this, and then I put this frame on top of it like this, and it covers the whole painting. So it rests me to just spray the glue, spray it, let it dry for just a minute, I think. It says it's for temporary and permanent fixing, so let us try to glue it. Okay, I read the instructions, and it says glue this part and the other part and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. But I think if I let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, it will not stick at all. So we are not gonna do this. I am just putting it here. Let me see how it works with my frame. It works perfect. I don't see white parts of the backside, or yellow parts, what is it? Brown, yellow. So I think it worked. It says 5 till 10 minutes, but I think it's not a problem if I do it now. Actually, it says when you want to do it temporary gluing, just put glue on one side. If you want to do it permanent, put glue on both sides. So I did put glue on both sides, and then it says let it wait for 10 minutes, but I did it directly. I just put this so I can put some more pressure on it. Okay, I think it's done like this. All my diamonds are still there. This one is a little bit loose. And so. And let me. So I think it's done. For now, it sticks like this. And actually, I think if you just buy a product like this and you spray glue your painting on it, you can just hang it up like this. You can spray some verniz on top of it so that your diamonds are sealed. I'm not sure if the how do you call it? The sparkling will be the same if you put verniz on it, but we will try it one time. So rest me only to put it in the frame. So I washed the glass part because actually I always remove the film layer at last, and now I removed it earlier, so there were fingers on the plastic part. And now the moment of truth. Turn this around, put it inside here, and hope everything will be in the correct place. Actually, I have 2 more frames, so if it goes wrong, I can try it again. But yeah, I hope it didn't get wrong. And actually, I didn't measure anything. I'm not that fan of measuring and take my time. I just do it and I hope it's good. So I did it, and yeah, I just show you the intro shots. This is how it is. I cannot show it like this because then you see my camera, but let me put it like this and a little bit like this, so now you see my laptop. This is the end results, and I think it's very nice. It's completely covered the whole passepartout. It's glued, it's amazing, it's nice, and I hope my friend is happy with it. I know he cannot hang it at a wall at the moment, but I think he will find a place for it. I wish him the best of luck with his first diamond painting dark vader, and I wanted to write a name on top or write a name on bottom, and actually I could because I have a lot of diamonds left, but I think I will keep it like this. It's nice how it is. It's simple, and I think I don't have to say anything more. It's dark vader in nice colors, maybe a little bit pink, red, but it's nice. He comes back 27 of and almost his present broken. He comes back 27 of October, and maybe I can make a short video about him when he gets his present. At the moment he is in Mexico. He sent me a lot of pictures, videos about him diving on top of temples, pyramids. No, not really pyramids because he's not in Egypt, but yeah, he shows me everything and I'm so jealous. And I just see this. Let me close the door. So, yeah, I'm so jealous, and I'm completely flabbergasted. This is so stupid, but okay. He comes back 27, he's in Mexico now, and I'm so jealous. He sent me pictures and videos about what he's doing, diving, big fishes, and he sent me a video about what he was diving with the big sea turtle. It was amazing. Other thing, what I said, I had a lot of diamonds left. I have one bag of 1,000 pieces of 310 left. I think it's a lot. It's more than 20%. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 9, 39 left. And what I want to ask you, what is the difference between 310 and 939? I think they are both black. And in this painting there are 6 bags of 310 and 3 of those 310, and I got 16 bags, so 10 bags of 939, but I don't see the difference. For me it's black, and if you know the difference between 310 and 939, just let me know below. I think it's the same color. I cannot see any change, any difference between them. Maybe there is a slight difference, but you cannot see it with the naked eye. But for so long, he's finished, and it's time for a new diamond painting. And I will tell you everything about it in a new episode of Diamond Paint with me. I wanted to tell you about the Facebook page, but I think I will make a whole video about this next time without painting. Takes too much time now. So next video will be about the Facebook page, maybe the start of the new big painting. And yeah, for now, just rest me to say thank you for watching my video. If you like it, subscribe. If you want to tell me anything, if you want to ask me anything, just comment below. If you don't follow me, just follow me. If you want to see my next videos, my next episodes, my next adventures, just follow me. And if you want to have a push notification or just an email notification when I upload a new video, just push the bell button also there on the bottom. I think, I don't know, it can also be there. It's always a surprise with me. I'm not that fantastic with this kind of things, but he's done. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new episode of Diamond Paint. Bye bye.